Hey guys, today we are whipping up something nice and sweet. We're making Biscoff mini cheesecakes. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to start off with some Biscoff biscuits here. I had a hard time finding these in any other store like Publix or Walmart, so just a heads up, you may want to just go ahead and go to Target and find these cookies because that's where I always see them. I got two types. I got the biscuits and then I got the actual cookies. I have the cream center with the Biscoff butter. And I'm just going to put these in a plastic Ziploc bag and rolling pin them so that I can get them nice and crushed. I added 1/4 cup of melted butter to my Ninja, and I'm going to add those crushed cookies to this butter as well. I was purposefully looking for a muddy consistency. I know a lot of times you kind of want that graham cracker type of crust, but I wanted something a little bit more crunchy, and this is what I wanted to do. So if you decide to do the more crusty type of consistency, you're more than welcome to do that, but I wanted this consistency. I ended up matting it down with my finger, and then just make sure you put it into the refrigerator until you have your filling ready so it can get nice and hard. I'm adding 2 blocks of softened cream cheese to my mixer. I'm going to start mixing the cream cheese first by itself before I start to add the other ingredients into it. Once the consistency looks like this, you want to add 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream and then 2 cups of powdered sugar. Basically 1 cup of powdered sugar per block of cream cheese. And then give that a mix as well. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of white sugar. Then I'm going to take about 3 tablespoons of the Biscoff cookie butter and add that to the batter and then mix that as well. I did remove the bowl from the mixing machine just so I can make sure I get everything mixed together. So all that excess powdered sugar and all the other ingredients that didn't get properly mixed in, I'm just going to hand mix that. I'm then going to add it to a piping bag, and then I'm going to put it on top of that crust that we created a little bit earlier. With this, it's all about the type of consistency that you want. I wanted a more thicker consistency, so I did place mine in the freezer for 3 hours. Once you do serve them, you can choose to leave them in the cupcake liners, or like you could do what I did and peel the liners back and take the cheesecakes out of the liners. I want to start this off with melting it at 15 seconds. 20 seconds should be perfectly fine to get the nice melted consistency that you're looking for, so that way you can drizzle this right over the top. And then of course, once it was melted, I just drizzled this right over the top in my mini bottle. just to add to the presentation, I'm going to put a little bit of whipped cream on top and then add the Biscoff cookies on the top as well. These are the cookies that have the cream in the middle. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on those notifications so you can always know when I am posting a new video. You and know that you are the cheese.